Hello YouTube. This is a short video of homemade fireworks I made in 2 hours. This is I don't know what it is, but it look funny. I think it's kind of fireflies, jumpers, whatever. This is a rocket engine from a regular boring rocket, and I put something funny in the end where the awesome colors used to come out when it's in the air. I hope to see what it can do. This is an fountain. Just stop the end hard, so I hope it explodes. A mini rocket. It's cool. I hope it can fly. I'm not sure. A bomb, also called kanonslag on Danish. Bang. That's just so I know what it is. And what? And this is a firefly with some black powder in the cap from a hospital bottle. Don't think it can do anything. Is there more? No. Yes. There's bomb, aka kanonslag, more. But don't think it's that much. This is huge bomb, aka kanonslag. I made of a lot of black powder. You see the level right in my fingertip here. The level is almost to the to the letter. Yeah, to the letters here. So it's quite heavy also. So I hope it will make a good bang. This is it. Enjoy.